Hello guys, this is Video Gamer TV or X-Drizz, and today I just wanted to tell you that NickBoy335 is awesome and you should go sub to him. Now, the real reason I'm making this video is to show you my color correction and render settings. So let's get started. I've already done this clip. I'm gonna get rid of this. Let's import a search and destroy on invasion. How about that? Drag that down. Find a good spot here. Alright, we'll go with that. First thing you want to do is you want to right click on the clip and disable resample and uncheck maintain aspect ratio. My mouse is having a spasm. I don't know why it's doing that, but the next thing you want to do is crop out these black lines on the edges here. You want to right click again, go up to video event, pan and crop. I have it set as a default, but all you need to do is get rid of those black lines. Pretty simple. Now for the color correction, you want to scroll up. You want to go to color corrector and drag down studio RGB to computer RGB. It's going to get rid of some of the haze, and you want to go to color corrector secondary right under that and do the exact same thing. That just gets rid of the haze that you see after you record. That's what it should look like on the game. That's what it normally looks like, but for some reason when it records, it puts a little haze in it. But then you want to scroll all the way down, go to unsharp mask, and drag down light. Then you want to scroll up right to sharpen and drag down reset to none. It's going to sharpen it a lot. Both of those together will sharpen it a lot. Then you want to go to saturation adjust, drag down reduce, oops, what the hell? Okay, yeah. Drag down reduce minor color noise, and you want to drag it down again a second time. That's going to make it look pretty much black and white. It just gets rid of any unwanted colors. You can, if you want, you can drag down boost midtone. It'll give it a little bit more color when you drag down this next part. HSL adjust, you want to drag down max saturation. That's going to give it a blast of color right there. I'm going to get rid of this boost midtones because I don't really need it. Once you get rid of that, or once you put that on there, you want to drag down soft contrast, soft moderate contrast, in soft contrast. Sorry. That's going to make it really smooth. The last thing you want to do, it depends on what map it is. You want to go to brightness and contrast, and you either want to drag down brighter, or I have a set default one. You want your brightness to be on 0.05 and your contrast on 0 and your contrast center on 0.50. Those are the color correction settings. The next thing you want to do for render settings, though, I always highlight the whole thing whatever I'm gonna render, and I go to File, Render As, name it whatever you want, and you want your type to be main concept AVC-AAC MP4. That'll make it the best quality for YouTube. Then for template, you want to click default template. You want to go to custom. For frame size, you want custom frame size. You want width. Oh my god, I don't know if you can hear that, but my friend's phone keeps going off. For width, you want 1280, and for height, you want 720. You want allow source to adjust frame size. You want that unchecked. You want your profile to be main. You want your frame rate. Here's what you do for this. Type in 59.94, I think that was. And you want to check this box, which will put zeros after it, and then uncheck it. Next thing you want to do is you want your field order to be non-progressive. You want your pixel aspect ratio, oh my god, pixel aspect ratio to be 1.0. You want your number of reference frames to be 4, and you want deblocking filter on. You want a constant bit rate, and you want to set that to 14 million. When you're done with all that, you go to audio, and these should be set right, but just in case they're not, they should be 44,100 and 128,000 bit rate. Then you go to project. You want your rendering quality to be best, and I don't even know what your 3D mode is, because that's new with Vegas 10 and I haven't gotten a chance to mess with it, so I just leave it where it is. Use project settings. Then you hit OK. You want the only two boxes you want checked down here is render loop region only and save project markers in media file. Then when you're done, you just hit save and it'll render. Yep, that's my color correction and render settings, and I hope this helped you out. Please subscribe, rate, and comment, and don't forget to go to nickboy335 and subscribe to him. Thank you and goodbye.